Hi everyone. This learning plan is really where we start getting into the nitty-gritty of the class. I'm really excited to have you all explore this this learning plan. This is where we start with doing some research on career clusters. And we are going to have a culminating project associated with that. The first thing that we're going to focus on, though, is kind of getting acclimated with the idea of career clusters and what different kinds of careers are out there and under what headings. So the first thing that we are going to do is we are going to do the warm-up. This is where I would like you to watch those 3 videos. You'll see them down in the warm-up section, that pink section. Using self-evaluation to choose a career, that's about 1:36. Exploring careers, that's a little over 3 minutes. And career clusters, that's a little over 2 minutes. Once you, as you're watching those videos, it might be a good idea just to jot down some notes. And once you have watched those, then I want you to go to that following link, which is a Mentimeter. And this is where you're going to be asked, what are 3 words that come to mind after watching these videos? And you're going to enter that in, and then a word cloud is going to generate. In class, we are going to be doing this as a whole group together. So we'll watch the videos together, and then we'll do the Mentimeter and then have a class discussion about it. If for some reason you have missed class, then I still want you to do this assignment. I want you to watch those 3 videos and still do the Mentimeter, and just let me know when you have completed that task.